Hello boys and girls, how are you? Welcome to iTTV. I'm Miss Sonia, your Year 4 English tutor. Today we have a very interesting lesson. We are going to do information transfer. Now students, what is information transfer? You may ask. Well, it's really very simple once you get to know what the whole concept of information transfer is. Now, this is it. You will be given probably a few products and you'll be given information on certain products. You could have products, animals, any sort of thing. Now, you'll be given information and then you will be given a table. Now, these tables usually have information missing. So what do? Yes, you transfer the information from the earlier information given. Now, I have the first exercise for us to do. Now, let's try it together and let's go through it slowly. Now, for the first exercise, we are going to do clothing. Stay with me. Alright students, take a look at this t-shirt. Now the t-shirt's brand name is Charlie Jordan. Now it costs RM 109. You have it in white and blue. Now it is made of cotton. And the product comes from France. Let's go on to our next product. Now this is a leather belt. Its brand name is Givenchy. It is RM 70 ringgit. Now it comes in two colors, brown and black. It is made of leather. And this product is from Thailand. Now this is a shirt. Now the brand name is Hugo Bossy and it is RM 100. It comes in two colors, black and white. It is made of silk and it comes from China. Well, there you go students. 3 different products. A t-shirt, a leather belt and a shirt with different information based on them. Now let us look at the table. Now this is what information transfer is all about, students. Notice you have blanks in the table. This is where you will fill in the blanks with the information you had earlier. Let us start. Look at the brand. For t-shirt you have Charlie Jordan. What about the leather belt? Yes, very good. The leather belt is called Givenchy. So you write in Givenchy. Now, what about the shirt? What is the shirt's brand name? Very good, boys and girls. Hugo Bossy. See, I'm sure you're getting a better hang of how to do information transfer. Let's proceed. Now look at the price. You have the price for leather belt, but you don't have the price for t-shirt and shirt. So let us look at the t-shirt. Very good, students. It cost RM 109, RM 109 ringgit. Now what about the shirt? Very good. The shirt costs RM 100. Let us go on to the color. Now we have the color for the shirt, which is black and white, but the information is missing for the t-shirt and the leather belt. Very good. The t-shirt is white and blue in color. Now what is the color of the leather belt? Good, boys and girls. You have two colors, brown and black. Let's move on to the material. Now the material is given for the t-shirt. It is made of cotton. What about the leather belt? Very good. The leather belt is made of leather. Now what about the shirt? Good. It is made of silk. Alright students, we are at the last part of the exercise. Now, the leather belt is made in Thailand, but the information is missing for the t-shirt and the shirt. Now, where do you think the t-shirt is made? Very good. The t-shirt is made in France. Now, what about the shirt? Yes, the shirt is made in China. Well, boys and girls, how did you do? I'm sure you're getting really good at information transfer. So that was our first exercise. Now I've got another one for you. Let's see how much better you have gotten at information transfer. Now, the next exercise is based on animals. Let's take a look. Look, it's a parakeet. Now this parakeet is 9 years old. It eats bird seed and it lives in a cage. It has colorful feathers and it can say a few words. Oh look, it's a guinea pig. Now this guinea pig is 5 months old. It eats carrots and seeds. Now the guinea pig needs a cage to live in. It has silky brown fur and a guinea pig is fun to play with. This is a dog. Now this dog is a year old. It eats dog biscuits. Now it sleeps in a basket. Now this dog is soft and furry and it keeps away robbers. Alright, boys and girls, you see, you saw 3 different animals. You saw a parakeet, a guinea pig and a dog, and you were given different information about each animal. Let's take a look at the table for the information transfer. There you go. If you notice, there are blanks in the table because you are to fill in the information needed. Let's start. Now for the first one, it's asking the age of the parakeet and the dog. If you notice, the guinea pig's information has already been given. The guinea pig is 5 months old. How old is the parakeet? Very good, boys and girls. The parakeet is 9 years old. What about the dog? Yes, the dog is 1 year old. What about the food that the parakeet and the guinea pig eats? You see, the dog eats dog biscuits. What about the parakeet? Yes, the parakeet eats bird seed. And the guinea pig? Very good. The guinea pig eats carrots and seeds. Now, let's go on to the place to live. Now, the parakeet lives in a cage. What about the guinea pig? Yes, the guinea pig also lives in a cage. Alright, what about the dog? Yes, the dog sleeps in a basket. Well, students, we're halfway through finishing this table. Are you still with me? Now let us go on to the appearance. The dog is soft and furry. What about the parakeet? Very good. The parakeet has colorful feathers. And the guinea pig? Good. The guinea pig has silky brown fur. Now on to the last part, the advantage of having these animals. Now the guinea pig is fun to play with. What about the parakeet? Yes, the parakeet can say a few words, a talking animal. Now the dog. Very good. The dog keeps robbers away. Well, boys and girls, how did you do in that exercise? I'm sure you're getting really good at information transfer. I have one last exercise for you to try. Let's go to it. Now this time we are going to look at mode of transportation. An express bus. Now this express bus goes from KL to Sungai Petani. It costs 30 ringgit. Now it takes 8 hours to get to Sungai Petani from KL. It has 44 seats. It departs at 10 p.m. and the bus has a video show. It's a train. Now this train goes from KL to Sungai Petani too. It costs 45 ringgit Malaysia for a ticket. It takes 12 hours to get to Sungai Petani. It has 300 seats available. And it departs at 6 p.m. And it has a cafe in the train. And this is a sporty coach. Now this bus goes from KL to Sungai Petani too. It costs 65 ringgit Malaysia for a ticket. And it takes 6 hours. It has 25 seats on the bus. It departs at 7 p.m. and it has adjustable seats. So students, you have an express bus, you have a train, and you have the sporty coach. Now, information has been given about each mode of transportation. Let's try and fill in the blanks in the table. Let's take a look at the table first. Alright students, let us start with the first part of the table, the fare. Now the train ticket costs RM45. What about the express bus ticket? Yes, very good. It costs 30 ringgit. What about the sporty coach? Very good, boys and girls. RM65. Now let us go on to the duration. Now it says it takes 6 hours to get to Sungai Petani for the sporty coach. What about the express bus? Good, 8 hours. And the train? Very good, boys and girls. It takes 12 hours to reach Sungai Petani by train. Now the number of seats. On the express bus, it has 44 seats. What about the train? Yes, the train has 300 seats available. Now what about the sporty coach? Very good. It has 25 seats. We're almost done with this table. Are you still with me, students? Let's proceed. Now the facility available. Now for the train, you have a cafe. What about the express bus? Very good. You have a video show on the express bus. And the sporty coach, what kind of facility does it have? Very good. It has adjustable seats. Now to our last part of the table, the departure time. Now for the sporty coach, it leaves at 7 p.m. What about the express bus and the train? The express bus leaves at Good, 10 p.m. And the train departs at Very good, students, 6 p.m. Well, there you go. You actually managed to do 3 different types of information transfer. Now, students, let me give you a bit of advice. Do not rush when you are doing information transfer. Take your time. If you rush, you might put in the wrong sort of information. And always read the information carefully. We've come to the end of our lesson, boys and girls, and I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you for watching iTTV. I'm Miss Sonia, your Year 4 English tutor.